Anytime now, only 1 and 3. Touch of class number 6. All set. Ready to race. Race number 11. And the race is on. Brushing up is Snake Me is Spaghetti, followed by Pure Energy, Wolf Run, Brown Baby. Moving up is Bobon Lancer. Snake Me is Spaghetti, followed by Pure Energy, Bobon Lancer. Telenovela sneaking by Daryl Brown Baby. 6 Touch of Class 7 position. 2A Wolf Run. 8 Fly Aday Fly Suwab Tiger. 24 Oras Typhoon Loading. And Winner Take All running at the tail of the field. Pure Energy rushing up Bobon Lancer. Telenovela Snake Me Spaghetti. It's now Bobon Lancer by Anek. Telenovela down on the inside. Pure Energy. Wolf Run on the outside, and Fly Aday Fly, and moving up Snake Me Spaghetti by Drell as they swing from Bobon Lancer from the outside. Telenovela, and moving up now Touch of Class, Wolf Run on the outside. Pure Energy, Fly Aday Fly, Snake Me Spaghetti, Brown Baby by Drell is 24 Oras, and nearing the finish line. Bobon Lancer finish the game. Second, Telenovela, Touch of Class, Wolf Run, Fly Aday Fly, and Pure Energy for your Super